An overview of the cell. Cells are the smallest living unit of an organism. Cells have three things in common. No matter what type of cells they are, all cells have cell membrane which separate the inside the cell from its environment. Cytoplasm, which is jelly-like fluid inside the cell. DNA, which is the cell's genetic material. There are two broad categories of the cell. The first category is eukaryotic cell. They have organelles, which include the nucleus and special parts. Eukaryotic cells are more advanced complex cells, such as found in plant animals. The second category is prokaryotic cell. They don't have nucleus or membrane enclosed organelles. They do not have genetic material inside the true nucleus. Prokaryotic cells are always one-celled organism, unicellular organisms such as bacteria. What are the organelles? What are the organelles? Let's see. Organelles mean little. Organelles are the specialized part of the cell that have unique jobs to perform. Let's start with the nucleus, the control center of the cell. The nucleus contains DNA or genetic material. DNA dictates what the cell is going to do and how it's going to do it. Chromatin, the tangent spread out form of the DNA found inside the nuclear membrane. When a cell is ready to divide, DNA condenses into the structure known as chromosomes. The nucleus also contains a nucleolus, which is a structure where ribosomes are made. After they will have the important job of synthesis or making protein. Outside the nucleus, ribosomes and the rest of organelles float around the cytoplasm, which is the jelly-like substance. Ribosomes may wander freely within the cytoplasm or attached to the endoplasmic reticulum, sometimes abbreviated as ER. Rough ER has ribosomes attached to it, and smooth ER doesn't have ribosomes attached to it. The endoplasmic reticulum is the membrane enclosed passageway for the transporting materials such as the protein synthesized by the ribosomes. Protein and other materials emerge from the endoplasmic reticulum in small vesicles, where the Golgi apparatus, sometimes called the Golgi body, receive them. As protein move through the Golgi body, they are customized into the form that the cell can use. The Golgi body does this by folding the protein into usable shape or adding the other material onto them, such as lipids and carbohydrate. Vacuoles are the sac-like structure that store different material. Here in the plant cell, the central vacuole store water. Large central vacuole. Animal cell has many small vacuoles going back to the animal cell. You will see the organelles like the lysosomes. Lysosomes are the garbage collector that take in damaged or worn out the cell parts. They are filled with enzymes that break down the cellular debris. Mitochondria in an organelle that is the powerhouse for both plant and animal cell. It produces energy during the process called the cellular respiration. Mitochondria make ATP molecules that provide energy for all the activities of cell. Cells that need more energy have more mitochondria. Meanwhile, the cell maintains its shape through a structure known as cytoskeleton. Cytoskeleton include thread-like microfilaments, which is made up of protein, microtubules, which is a thin hollow tubule-like structure, Some organisms such as the plant cell that are photoautotrophs, meanwhile they capture the sunlight for photosynthesis. Plant cells have an organelle called the chloroplast. Chloroplast is where photosynthesis happens. It's green because of it has the green pigment called chlorophyll. Plant cells also have a cell wall outside their cell membrane that shapes, support and protect the plant cell. Animal cells never have a cell wall. There are many other unique structures that only some cells have. Here are the just a few. Means the example respiratory tract is lined with a cell that have. These are microscopic hair-like projections that can move in a wave. Features helps to trap inhaled particles in the air and expel them with cough. Bacteria and another unique feature in the some cell like bacteria they have flagella. A flagellum is like a little tail that can help to cell to move or propel itself. The only human cell that has flagellum is sperm. In summary, eukaryotic cell, plant and animal cell with a true nucleus and double membrane enclosed organelles. While prokaryotic cells, unicellular without true nucleus and without double membrane bounded organelles. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned and learn bio with Naeem.